I am stuck in traffic, so I decided to make a video for you guys. I just wanted to give you guys a quick sourcing tip. If you look back there, you see a very large box, and in that box is a bunch of books, and there's a few more boxes back there too. I actually decided to jump onto Craigslist and see if there were any free books available, and there was a thrift store that's giving out all their books for free. So I went over there and they had bins and bins of books. I'm probably going to go back and grab more. I'm just basically going to take all those books, enter them into Amazon FBA, and send them out. And it's just a quick, easy sale. You can often find a lot of people are moving and they're just like, they need to get rid of their stuff. I recently did it myself, and last minute, when you have extra things that you just can't sell, people tend to just put them out there for free. So I go on like once every day or so to see if there's anything. If you guys are looking to find some quick items to sell on Amazon or even on eBay, jump on Craigslist, look at the free listings, type in curb alert, and like if it's a curb alert, it's kind of nice because you could just actually go to the house, grab what you want. You don't even have to talk to the owners. Throw it in your car or your bike, and just bring it home, enter it in, send it out. Super easy. So I just wanted to give you guys that little tip. That's what I've been doing. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below and I'll help you guys out. Thanks. Peace, guys.